Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again today we are going to be having another episode, another lecture on health. So today we'll be talking about a topic that most people consider as taboo. Yes, most women shy away from talking about it. Most people think it should not be said. So what is this topic all about? This topic is called painful sex. Yes, we'll be talking about painful sex. So without me wasting much of your time, let's get right into this video. The medical term for painful sex is known as dyspareunia. Yeah, dyspareunia, that's the medical term for it. And we'll be looking at the causes of painful sex. There are two factors or three most contributing factors that causes painful sex. We have the physical factor, the psychological factor, or the relational factor. Now, in aspect of the physical factors, things that causes painful sex in the physical factors are vaginal dryness, infection, pelvic floor disorder, or endometritis. Now, for vaginal dryness, it can be cured, it can be managed with the use of lubricants like KY gel. I'll be putting the picture of KY gel up in this screen so you know what it is in case you want to get it. You can use KY gel to lubricate that area to make it smooth for easy movement, for easy movement so that that place will not be dry. Now for infections, yes, infection can cause painful sex. Infections like UTI, urinary tract infection, or STI, which is sexually transmitted infection. So if you have infection, if you have any sign of infection, please go to the hospital and get yourself treated. Do not do self-medication. Try to visit the hospital so that you run some tests and know the type of infection that you have to avoid taking the drugs that is not meant for that particular infection, because most of us we fall this victim of when we have any little thing or the other. Okay, for instance, for infection, maybe you know that Cipro is used for infection. I'm using ciprofloxacin as an example. Then you go ahead to always buy Cipro without knowing the type of bacteria you have in your body. At a time, your body will build a resistance to that antibiotics, thereby making it that when you are taking it, it will not be effective again. So do not do self-medication. Visit the hospital to get yourself treated. And for the pelvic floor disorder and the endometritis, you need to visit your doctor. You need to visit a gynecologist so you can go for scan for the disorder in the pelvic and the uterus to be corrected. Now I'll be going to the second factor, which is known as the physiological factors, which is known as the psychological factors. Now under these psychological factors of painful sex, we have anxiety. Yes, anxiety causes painful sex. We have depression. Depression causes painful sex. We also have trauma, past traumas. What do I mean by past trauma experience or past trauma? Sorry about that. What do I mean by that? What I mean by this is maybe there are people that were sexually harassed in the past through rape or forced out of, not willingly, they were sexually harassed. When they remember this incident, when they remember this ugly incident, they tend to be depressed, they tend to fall into depression, and it creates this scenario in their head. And if care is not taken, they'll have to live with that trauma for a lifetime. And this trauma can cause depression, anxiety, and lack of interest in sex, which leads them to having painful sex, to experience pain whenever they're having sex with their partner. Now I'll be talking about some of the ways you can manage and treat the the psychological factors that causes painful sex. One of the ways to treat it is through therapy. Yes, through seeing a therapist who will help you, who will help speak with you, and you express yourself. It is a gradual process, but I implore you, if you're having the psychological factors that contribute to sex, maybe depression, anxiety, or you are having trauma due to your past experience, please and please visit a therapist to speak to the therapist. Visit a counselor, which will help in which will help you in engaging in some exercise that will help your mind, that will help your mental health, so that you'll be free from depression, so that you'll be free from anxiety, so that you'll be free from all this trauma. Now, remember, do not die in silence. Do not keep quiet. Health is wealth. Do not say, no, I'm going to be laughed at. Do not say, no, they are going to make jest of me. Please and please try to visit the hospital. Try to visit the medical practitioners anytime you notice any change in your body. I hope with this video you have been able to learn the two causes of painful sex. Sorry, lest I forget. Another causes of painful sex is lack of communication between two partners. If you are not communicating with your partner how you are feeling during the whole process or during the process of having sex, I think this can also lead to painful sex. Hope you have learned something from this video today. Remember, keeping silence means death. Keeping silence means somebody is inviting death, which shouldn't be. So please speak up and don't keep silence. Remember, health is wealth. It's when you are healthy that you can be able to make wealth. Thank you for watching. Thank you for stopping by. Please remember to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a video, you'll be first to be notified. And please don't forget to put your comments down below and give a thumbs up to this video and like it. Thank you for watching. Love you all. Bye.